Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2022 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Special. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2022 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Special with 10,061 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, TPMS, a keyless ignition, a multifunction 2-speaker audio system, and navigation. It's been upgraded with an aftermarket exhaust, an aftermarket windshield, LED windshield trim, LED auxiliary saddlebag lights, an LED headlight, LED turn signals, a plate bracket, Harley-Davidson grips, rider floorboards, passenger foot pegs, an engine guard, highway pegs, shifter pegs, shift linkage, primary cover, timing cover, saddlebag guards, 12-inch handlebars, axle caps, and a flush mount fuel cap. We have installed a new rear tire. Powered by a 114 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Road Glide puts 120 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the Road Glide has a 200 to 250-mile range. It has a 27.4-inch seat height and an 849-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and installed the new rear tire. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the steering lock is a bit harder than usual because the plastic surrounding it is higher due to the accessory handlebars. The ignition switch cover can become dislodged during this process due to a broken mounting tab in the corner. The ECM flash allows the right handlebar switch to turn the bike on and off when the fob is present. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a paint blemish on the fuel tank. This bike has one fob, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for the first 30 days or 1,000 miles and continued powertrain warranty for a total of 90 days or 3,000 miles. For additional program info, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.